I know some people had a little bit of trouble accessing last week's module, so I thought I'd give just a video description of what to do this week. So I'm right here on our MyMCPS homepage, and if you go to your Piano 1B tab, that'll take you to the classroom. And I'm going to go to the student view so you can see exactly what you'll be seeing. All right, so the main thing here is going to be the modules. And here was your week 1 module, and here is the new one that I updated a couple days ago. This is week 2. And so I'm going to just explain a little bit of how to access it and what we're going to see. So this week's all about melody and notes, and that's some stuff that we've pretty much gone over in class before, but again, this is a general music lesson that's made by the county, so it's meant to be for people in lots of different classes, not just piano, but guitar, drums, all sorts of things. So taking a look at the first thing we start off with an assignment. And just remember that you only need to do one assignment. There's 3 assignments each week, but you're only required to do one of them. And this is one of the options right here. So this one is assignment. We're going to be looking at a song. You're going to listen to it, read some of the lyrics, listen to a different arrangement of it, and then complete a prompt. You're going to complete some sentences about what you heard, what you think, and then you're going to write about how listening to the different arrangement and the lyrics informed what you heard and how it'll inform it in the future. So that is assignment number 1. After that, we get into the actual lesson that has to do with melody. And if we look on here, we got just a description, we got a video crash course. After that, we talk about range, and we look at what actually singers use to determine their range. They can sing notes between these keys. They're called a bass, and then tenor, alto, and soprano. So you'll learn a little bit about that. After that, we got notation, so stuff we have seen before, very familiar for us. And you've even got some challenge modes on here, some activities that you can do just to reinforce and practice what we talked about right here. After that, we are looking at intonation, and that's going to include some of these interactive activities again. Then we have a wrap-up, and after the wrap-up then comes the quiz, which is your second option for an assignment for the week. So if you choose to do the quiz, that will count as your one assignment for the week. You do it here, and you just take it right there and complete it. And then your third option for an assignment is found after that, and that's going to be composing a melody. And you're going to basically videotape yourself with singing or playing on piano or on a computer software or whatever, a melody that you make. You also have the option of using an existing melody, select the melody to any song, but slightly altering it and changing it to give it your own kind of flair, your own interpretation. Option 3 is notating a melody on the actual standard notation, so that's option 3. And then option 4 is you can actually make your own method if you are able to think of any other ways that you can express making a melody. You can do it that way. Right here you've got backing tracks that you can use, and you can play them and then compose your melody over top of those, or you can do it without them. It's up to you. You'll submit the assignment here, and that'll really do it for this week. If you want, after that, you've got some extension activities if you'd like. But that is week number 2. So just make sure that you access this, complete one of the assignments by Sunday. And if you have any questions, just let me know.